It's so warm and spicy. The meat is tender. The beans are cooked perfectly. Hi, we are making game day chili. I'm going to show you how I make it. We are back and our chili is done. It has been cooking on the stove for about 4 hours, and the smell in here from this chili, I wish you could be here to smell it. It smells so good. So we are going to give her a try. What I like in my chili, I like just a little dollop of sour cream and a little dollop of cheese. I shredded my own shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna give her a little stir. I'm gonna taste it.
Don't burn your mouth off.
I will try not to burn my mouth off. All right, let's give her a taste. It's so warm and spicy. The meat is tender. The beans are cooked perfectly. It's got just a little bit of a kick. I don't know how y'all like your chili, but I like my chili just hot enough to slightly make my nose run. Anything more than that, it's too hot for me. But this is a good little spice, and the sour cream cools it down just a little bit, and then all the cheese is getting melty. Look how good that looks. And then I like to keep it with my corn dippers. So I'm gonna get me a corn chip, give me a good old scoop. It's so good. This is a perfect meal for any football Sunday or any Sunday at all. You guys must try this. It is so delicious. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.